So a little over about 11 weeks ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you it's not about how much money you have in your trading account. It all comes down to the strategy, the approach you have when it comes with trading in the stock market. So in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on our $500 swing trading challenge. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, pretty much how I've been a full-time trader, the strategies, how I find these stocks, make sure you guys check out our school. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. We got private live streams, we got a group chat, we got quizzes, we got lectures, we got everything you guys need to take trading to the next level. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 50% off. You guys know we're doing a $500 swing trading challenge, so you guys can use code CHALLENGE to get 50% off. It's the first time we've done this. I'm very excited for this new code, so check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into this here. So this past week here, we did take one trade. We covered some profits on Nvidia from last week, but more importantly, our total account balance is sitting near and around $978, which is fantastic. We are so close from doubling this account, and I already can hear the comments. Well, Carter, it's already, it took you 11 weeks to almost double. Yeah, that's really good, right? What makes a successful swing trader successful isn't about these massive returns of 100, 200%. No, it's these 1, 2, 3% returns that just compound over the course of a year. That's what makes up a very consistent and profitable trader. So this trade here, we're up near and around about $70, which is great. So let's jump into this here. So looking at this here, the first thing I want to show you guys is this is the broker I'm using is Moomoo. Moomoo's awesome. I highly recommend them for every type of trader. So looking at this here, why I choose stocks here is super simple. I love the expression MISS, M-I-S-S, make it simple stupid. I'm not a trader where I'm going to have a million different indicators, where I'm going to have a million different monitors up. No, I like my 2 monitors. I like very basic indicators, so I can look at it and instantly just know what's going on. So let's kind of start talking about here why I bought this trade. So, the first thing I want to talk about is the checklist. So this is not with my my small account here that I'm growing. This is with my larger account. So if you look at the profits, it's not from this account. Okay, so this is my trading checklist. Obviously, some of these are adjustable. So, the first thing I want an upward trend, support, undervalued RSI. I want to know the earnings date, good risk and reward, and then some sort of support on the 1 hour time frame. So breaking this down here, you guys will see that looking at this chart, stock has an upward trend, sold off down to a support line. The support here is right on this trend. So each and every time it hits this line, we have good tendencies of getting buying pressure, as well as the RSI, right? If we actually delete the trend, you guys will see, oh, not the RSI, moving average lines, excuse me. You guys will see it hits the moving average lines, establishing good buying pressure. Okay, then we have an undervalued point on the RSI. I was trading for about a 28 on the RSI, which is pretty good. The last time I was trading for that was back in here where we had this good move from 32 to 40. Previous to that was back in here where we had these good moves. So I understood we could have a lot of good potential out of this trade. So the next thing here that I do is I plan out my entries and exits. So if we entered at the 90-day moving average line, we set our stop loss just below the lower wick, our target price up here. The risk and reward is about a 5 to 1, about 4.89. So you're risking $1 to make $4.89, which is really nice. So we're in the clear on that. The next thing here that I want to do is understand where the earnings is. So you guys can see the earnings announcement was actually in August. It was August 1st. So I understand that, earnings are pretty much every 4 months. So I understood that we definitely have a couple of months left out. And you can always you can always search it up on Google, or sometimes if it's within a month, it'll come across on here. So I knew we were pretty good there. So now the last thing that I do before I ever enter a trade here is I go to the hourly, and I want to find some sort of support. I want to find some sort of breakout. So the approach that I had here is I waited for confirmation of the trend, and then I got in for the breakout of the 90-day moving average line. Doing that, keeping your stops below it at about 47, gave me a really good risk and reward, gave me great upside potential because it was riding that hourly trend for the breakout. Now what I'm doing is I'm just keeping my stop loss just below pretty much this trend line. So if it does dip down below that, we'll just take our profit, move on to other opportunity. And honestly, I think that's what makes up trading, right? I know this is a very easy example of this, but make swing trading easy. A lot of people love to overcomplicate it and make it very, very difficult. But, for me, I love just keeping everything as simple as you can. Don't overcomplicate your trades. And don't forget, if you guys want to learn how to find these stocks, make sure you guys check out our school. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. We're doing 50% off. Code CHALLENGE to get 50% off. It's awesome. It's crazy. So make sure you guys click that link right now, like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.